How to set up Figma Dev Mode MCP server. So first, enable Dev Mode MCP in Figma. Open a design file, switch to Dev Mode. For this, you need to buy Dev Mode by a subscription. Open Preferences, Dev Mode MCP server. Depending on the version, you may see Enable MCP server or Start MCP server. And then just copy the MCP server URL. It looks something like this. The port may differ depending on your setup. Step 3. Connect Claude Desktop. Go to Settings, Developer, Edit Config, and then simply paste what you copied from Figma. And then save the file and restart Claude Desktop. Then open a Figma file, and there you go. Now you can ask your AI tool to do whatever you want in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.